we go, man. Here we go. Here we go.
For sure. What's good? We on the camera. Let's go. Day one day. Getting lit. We all get to the work. Not too much talking that need to be said. We here to work. Here we go, baby. It's day one. Let's go. Richard Jackson on me. Ready, begin. Grano, what's up? Knees on the yellow. Good job, Ron. Go. Explode through the bag. Roll your hips.
There we go.
Yeah, we want a little work. Let's go. It's on you. I ain't gonna say set go the whole damn practice. Let's go to work. Ball in the outside hand. Oh, yes, sir, Nick. Go. Looking good, fellas. Switch sides. Looking good. Tight grab. Good.
Legion! Send it, Legion!
Coming out of your head.
Cut it up!
Go. Come on. You can walk through.
Work today. I mean, you guys got a beautiful day to practice, man. It's going to get hot eventually. I think the next couple days it'll be like this, but it's going to get hot. We got to get used to it. We got to run. We got to get ourselves in tremendous shape. All right, here we go. Family. 1, 2, 3. Family. Yeah, boys.